Canon EOS R focus modes. First, press Menu. Then move over to the AF tab. Then on the first page, press AF Operation. From here you'll see two options, One Shot and Servo. One Shot is ideal for still subjects. You press the shutter halfway down and the camera will focus only once. The autofocus point will turn green and the beeper will sound when focus is achieved. The other option is Servo. This is ideal for moving subjects. You press the shutter halfway and the camera will continuously focus on the subject. For example, if someone was walking toward you or away from you. Due to the constant change in focus, the beep noise will not sound when the camera has focused. For more videos like this, please subscribe to the Bedford Camera and Video YouTube channel.